Hello everybody, I'd like to share this really lovely short movie that's of our new engineering building. This was a video taken by Steve Brown, who's in our department. He's recently achieved his drone license and taking some fantastic shots here. So we're going from the north side down to the south side and going the opposite way this time, from the south side over to the north side of the building. Where you see those nice stripy floor there, that is where the business school is. So that's another new building that was built 2 or 3 years ago. So you can see that the engineering building is taking shape. And I would say that there's not many universities that have really a purpose-built engineering block like this, really designed and focused to give the student experience and really making your learning and your project work come to life.